All right, guys, this is Emmett Stallworth again, the Alpha Builder, and I'm here on one of my job sites here, guys, and I've been thinking about something. I talk to a lot of builders. I talk to a whole lot of builders, man. Builders don't like, a lot of builders that I talk to in today's market, they don't like doing custom jobs. Now, what's a custom job? Custom job is when the homeowner, say for instance like this house right here, the homeowner comes out, they buy the lot, and they find the builder, and they hire me as a builder to come in and build their home. That's a custom job. Most of the builders now, they like to do what you call a spec job. When you talk to them, they say, I'd rather do a spec job any day. Spec job is when the builder goes out, they buy the lot. Say for instance, a lot like this right here. The builder buy that lot, and he get the house financed, he study the market, get a real estate agent to go in, and then they sell the house, and then the homeowner comes in at the end and buy the house. The difference between the two is that in a custom house, the builder is selling a service. In a spec home, the builder is actually selling a product. Now, most of the builders that I talk to today, they say that they don't want to do custom homes. They don't like dealing with homeowners. They don't like dealing with homeowners. Homeowners are, sometimes they can't make their mind up. They cause you more time than what you anticipated to be on that job site, etc. The homeowners can pick you to death, and they just cost you time because they want to know and things like that. Well, here's my opinion, guys. I think that all builders should at least do a custom home at least once a year, maybe two of them. And the reason I say that is because you need someone. Here's the thing, you need someone that's gonna hold you accountable. You need to be accountable as a builder at some point in time, and you need to practice that accountability. Not only that, man, you need, guys, if you struggle with, if you struggle with, you just can't get things done on time, or they change their mind, things like that. What that means is that you don't have a system developed to deal with those things. And you as a builder, you need to have that system anyways. And not only that, guys, you need to be meeting your homeowners, guys. You don't need to be going a couple of weeks without meeting the homeowners and talking to the homeowners. And if you're that busy where you can't engage with your homeowners, you don't need to be dealing with it at all. But guys, I think it's a good idea for most builders to at least have, if that's the kind of market that you're in, to have a couple of custom jobs going on. Because those jobs, number one, they hold you accountable. You got somebody else looking at that job other than you. You can't just do things the way, you got to plan things way out in advance. I think it's a good thing. I think it's a good challenge. I think it helps the builder stay on his toes. And I just think it's a good thing. So I think builders should go for that. Now you also here's the thing, the perfect world, in my opinion, is to have a spec job and a custom job going on at the same time. That way, you're going to get your money from the custom job because, they're going to pay you. The spec job, you got to pay interest on that loan, and you got somewhere you can pull the interest from. So guys, let me know your thoughts, guys. This is just my thoughts, guys. I just think that because I talk to a lot of custom builders daily, talk to a lot of builders in general on a daily basis, guys. And they said, hey man, these homeowners today are totally different. You know what's different with the homeowners today? And what a lot of builders are not understanding, what's different with this homeowners today is access to information. See, used to be the only information that you can get about construction was through that builder. Now the homeowners can go online. They got AI, they got all kind of stuff. They can look at this stuff, they can figure this stuff out. And see, this is why I think that the builders should be doing that too. You need to be going online. You need to be figuring this stuff out. You should be, as a builder, mastering your trade as well. You should be mastering what you do. You should be online just as much as they online, if not more, to understand what it is that you do as a builder. And that way you don't have that problem. Homeowner come to you with something, hey, I saw this right here online. Yeah, you know, I saw that too. And this is how I deal with that kind of stuff. Now, there is an understanding, there should be an understanding of the real world and stuff that you see on paper and stuff like that. Sometimes you got to make the things tweak out between the two, guys. But guys, I think custom jobs, it's not a bad idea, guys. Builders, I think that you should try a couple of them each year. Guys, like, share, subscribe, you know, help me out with this channel. Don't take too much to do that, guys. And at the end of the day, it is what it is. And this is the way.